Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I have worked at IRS for 10 years. I have been a teaching instructor there. I have a team of former IRS agents and appeals agents, revenue officers, tax attorneys, everything on staff. Really, we know everything, really, as much there is to know. You don't want to say everything, but as much things as you can to know in the tax resolution vertical. Our team has about 250 years of direct IRS work experience, and I've been on all the major news stations. I've been on Fox twice, ABC, NBC, CBS, Briefing Room, Newsmax, News Nation, and that's enough about me. Are you a tax preparer, and are you getting audited by the IRS? It's happening more and more. I just did a YouTube not too long ago. I just got 2 calls yesterday that IRS has sent letters out. One by 2 revenue agents, 2 different revenue agents, to come to audit tax preparers for their due diligence. And if this has happened to you, there's a couple things that you want to know. We represent people who are going through this, so understand that these aren't random audits, that IRS in fact has your PTIN, and they know about all your tax returns that are filed, what credits, what losses. They know everything you've done on tax returns. They keep algorithms and records on everyone's tax return, in case you don't know that. Yes. So if you get a letter from IRS that they're going to do a due diligence audit, what you should do is call former IRS agents, because we understand exactly what's going to happen. But this is how that's going to go down. IRS already knows the tax returns that they need to look at. They usually do these in batches of 25 or 50, depending on the situation. They sometimes will send you a list. Sometimes they'll come in there and they'll ask for this once they're there, but they know exactly what they're doing. This isn't random at all. And what they're going to do, they're going to look and they're going to decide, do they want more and more and more? And do they want more and more and more, or more and more and stop? We don't know. You never know. You can't tell. Depends whether the auditor wants to get in, wants to get out, what the intent is. At least by using former IRS agents, many times we can cut some of this off at the pass. Not all the time, but some of the times, because we know exactly, matter of fact, we know exactly what we're doing. They usually are going to look for credits you've taken, all the credits that are on returns. They're looking for losses. They're looking for dependent care and stuff like that. They have fixed targeted things that they're looking at, that people that you even reduced the tax liability beyond what you should have by taking losses and people and credits, but that's what IRS is looking for. And you have a couple full problem. A, they can't take away your license unless you're represented well. They can't do a deeper audit unless you're represented well. And you're going to have a kickback from your clients, because all those people are going to get audited for the returns that they pull. So I just want you to know the process. Should you be scared? I think you should be concerned. I always ask the person when they call on a 1 to 10, how bad is what IRS is going to look at? The first question is, am I going to jail and am I going to lose your license? Well, we do know people that IRS went after because they prepared a lot of fraudulent returns. And then we have some that IRS people just didn't keep the proper records. And that's a different type of audit. Anyway, if you need us, we're here. Give me a subscription. At least now you know the truth. Thank you so much for listening.